On Sunday, October 13, 2019, our beloved Supreme Master Ching graciously took time from her recent retreat to address the gathering of our Quan Yin practitioners at the new land in Taiwan, also known as Formosa, in celebration of the happy news from the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change.
We had good news. United Nations and all the countries in the world signed the less meat protocol. No? So it's becoming official now. I hope they just go forward, become meatless. Not less meat, but meatless. No meat at all. That's why I came to celebrate with you. And I want to thank you, all of you, for anything that you do at all, even just a tiny bit, to contribute to this result. And we're happy, happy, happy. May take a few more weeks or a few more, maybe months, but getting there, getting there. I'm very happy about it, yes. So I try to do more retreat. Even just a few days. I really thank United Nations and all the leaders of all the countries for their wise decision. And we pray that they continue to be wise implementing what they have written and signed. Thank you, United Nations, and all the nations. God bless you forever, and we love you. I want to thank all the vegans out there, all the persons, all the groups, all the organizations, all the governments, anyone who ever promote compassionate vegan way of life to save our world for us and for the next generation. Even just in your heart, you wish the world to become vegan. And all the governments who approve, who make into law, or who are going to make into law, for the citizen to stay on compassionate, healthy vegan diets. I thank all of you. May you continue these noble actions to save our world and the planet for the next generations. May God bless you forevermore.
Our caring master shared some more incredible news.
On the scale of 100%, if the world go vegan, from all the results of the steps that we have up to now, 62% from SMTV effort. And from you, all of disciples, 9%, yeah.
Master also lovingly spent time explaining to our association members the devotional practice of Bhakti Yoga.
In India, we have many kind of practice, and one of it is called Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti means devotion. You devote yourself to God. You haven't seen Him, but you devote yourself all your life to God, like those monks and nuns. That's also counted as Bhakti Yoga. Yeah, all kind of monks and nuns in our world, whether or not they are Catholic or Buddhist, yeah, or Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism, these all belong to Bhakti Yoga actually, because they devote their time and their life to the service of God and think of God alone, worship God alone. Whether or not they can see or not see, they can feel or not feel. Actually, Quan Yin method also included Bhakti Yoga because we devote ourselves to concentrate on the light and the sound, which is easier than just concentrate on nothing or just imagining a God which we did not see, or imagining that We are the light and we are the divine, but we don't see nothing. The light and the sound is not the ultimate yet, but it is something for you to concentrate, okay? So that you can go in samadhi easily. And the light and the sound also help you to concentrate easier. Any kind of undiluted attention will also bring you some result in wellness, spiritually, mentally, also bodily, okay? So like when you have severe headache sometimes, you just go do immediate Quan Yin and it's gone immediately. Isn't that so? Yeah, I'm telling you. No other can heal you so fast like that. We are not practicing Quan Yin method for headache, but I'm just saying it's the self who take care of the self. Even if you have pets, dogs, yeah, and you love them so much, and you pay a lot of attention to them undividedly, then you will also feel well. That's why many people, when they have pets, they have less disease, less depression, less many things, yes. Also the pets that you love emit secretly some kind of wellness wavelength, some kind of blessing, some kind of happiness from themselves. Yeah. So sometimes you see your dog, he's not doing anything. He just lay there asleep, but you feel so much love from him or her. And then you in turn also want to love him or her. And love also heals you. Because at that time you only see your dog. You don't see anything else. You don't know anything else. You don't remember anything else. And that is also a bhakti yoga. Because when you have undiluted, undivided attention to something or some subject or to God or to the saints, to dog, then you are truly separated from the world, oblivious to all its problems. Third, you feel free, yeah, and you feel peaceful. And that's how bhakti yoga works.
After the lecture, Master invited Supreme Master TV staff, some New Land working staff, and a few long-standing disciples to join her for a special dinner.
Today, we celebrate the UN and world government's approval, signed, sealed, for a plan to reduce meat consumption, and we pray that soon, no more meat altogether. Yeah! It will be. Vegan world will be. Vegan world will be. We thank all the gods and the saints and the sages who make our world through their sacrifice and love a better world and make us also a better being from their teaching and their energy left for us. All the sages before and now, they are the one, and the heaven being also, they make us also a better person. So we in turn should pay it forward. We make someone else a better person by doing our job, propagating goodness inherent in human heart, awaken their love, their compassion, their true human quality. Because the saint, the sage, the gods made us better. So we owe it to everyone, actually, to pay it forward. So it's not a favor that you're doing me, or even the world, but it's actually an obligation, some way. We pay it forward. We've been nourished and raised up to so big and so intelligent, and what else can we do to repay? This is the best way. I love all the shows on SMTV. Whenever I have time, I watch them all. It's so educational. I learn also something from it. Where can I go and find such science and spirituality information like what we show on TV? Where can I find the kid who can read with fingers? Where can I have time to even do research into all that? But our brother and sister, they did research for us, and we show excellent episode all the time, very educational, very uplifting, really uplifting. Because you know, every word carries some energy, and all our shows are positive. So all these positive words have energy of its own already, very uplifting.
Most benevolent Master, our warmest, sincerest appreciation for your ultimate love and guidance in moving our planet towards a vegan world. In divine brilliance, may Master be forever healthy, strong, and protected by the mighty heavens.
Share the joy, mountains rise, mountains fall. You have nothing more to prove, you have claimed them all. Now you're here, may you stay and share the joy.
For the full broadcast of the lecture by and dinner celebration with Supreme Master Ching Hai, please tune into Between Master and Disciples at a later date.